is a little complicated. How long? When you get here. I'll tell you Telugu. Simple. There is no. Okay? మనం భయపడితే మాత్రమే ఎదుటి భయపెడతాం. రైట్? మనం వాళ్ళని భయపెడితే వాళ్ళు భయపడతారు. భయపడతావా భయపెడతావా? సింపుల్ అది. Whether you are going to get care or migrate to get care. Right? Bayam ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? Why do you get fear? Because there is no content. Right? But probably the people with very old might started feeling. Okay? Then you start with one topic. Then people, somebody laughing. Who will laugh? Who is crazy? Okay? Who belongs to Erragada? Those people laugh. Now they are laughing. They turn also some you will laugh. Then by seeing them you are also become Erragada team of Erragada. So what I want to tell you people, start here. First you decide. I made mistake. Where you can explore. Speak slowly. Don't be hurry. When we ask any like story, read. For example, if you talk about daily routine, listen. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Oh little, unless if you are getting more clear, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Full stop, pause, continue. Try to read one word if you are feeling. Gradually, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I do brush and all. I read books in the morning. You never read this story, right? So try to do it, and all the best. And my target, I want to see 50 best participation people. 50 best. Okay? And we are going to reach one poster. Next 10 members. Take their photo. With that we release another poster. Jiyaguda celebrity. Jiyaguda is not people telling that you are master. You go and ask Madhapur people, can you visit Jiyaguda? No, they get scared. Our location itself scares those people. Right? So please start all the way.
My name is KTS. I'm studying in first class. The children want to explore the zoo and watch some animals. They have everything they need for their visit. Aryan checks the map. Tara writes notes in her notebook. Leela sells her snacks. Ram takes picture with his camera. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Aliza Fatima. I'm studying in first day. Rohan and Aisha went to the beach with their family. Aisha wanted to build a sandcastle and Rohan wanted to play with his beach ball. They crabs and purple swim in the water. They used a bucket and a small shower. A little crab come to watch them build a sandcastle. Good morning everyone. My name is Arohi. I am studying second class. My poem is The Paintbrush. Once upon a time there was a young girl named Lily. One day she found an old paintbrush in her attic. As soon as she picked it up, she felt a rush of excitement. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Prageeta. I am studying in second class. Today my poem name is Tom and the butterfly. Tom is playing in the garden with his friends Sam, Oliver, and Lucy. Tom Dad brings sandwiches and juice for them. Suddenly, Tom sees a butterfly near the sandwiches. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Lasya. I am studying in second standard. My poem name is A Day at the Fair. Ravi and Priya were young children who lived in the same neighborhood. They were best friends and loved important new places together. One sunny day, their parents took them to the annual village fair. Ravi, moms and dad, along with Priya, parents, accompanied the excited children to the fair as they entered the eyes sparkled with joy at the gift of colorful stalls, interesting games and bustling crowds. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected principals and madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Ritika. I am studying in second class. Today the lesson name is The Paintbrush. Once upon a time, there was a young girl. One day, she found an old paintbrush in her attic. As soon as she picked it up, she found a brush of excitement. Lily decided to ask her grandmother. She was a artist when she was young. Her grandmother played and said something. Lily became a crow. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Rimsha Fatima. I am studying in third standard. Today, my lesson name is The Secret Garden. Oliver, Lucy, and Noah live in a small village called Rosemary Lane. They always longed for an adventure. One day, they decide to explore the forest behind Uncle Jesper's cottage. Oliver looked at this old rusty gate. I wonder where it lands. Lucy, let's find out. They push and get the find themselves in a magical garden. Thank you. Morning everyone, respected principals, madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Navya. I am studying in third standard. Today lesson name is A Surprise for Meera. It was the first day of Meera holidays. Meera parents surprised her with a trip to the zoo. Was very thrilled. Meera, we have a surprise for you. We are going to the zoo. Really, Mama? Oh, I am very excited. Meera, her brother, and her parents went to the zoo. I can to see the elephant and my favorite animal. Thank you.
Everyone, respected principals, madam, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Laksh. I am studying in third standard. Today our lesson name is A Surprise for Meera. It was the first day of Meera's holidays. Meera's parents surprised her with a trip to the zoo. She was very thrilled. Meera, her brother, and her parents went to the zoo. She could not find the elephant section. She tried to find the elephant herself. This time she went the wrong way and got lost. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Prashant. I am studying in third standard. Today lesson name is A Surprise for Meera. It was first day of Meera's holidays. Meera's parents surprised her with a trip to the zoo. She was very thrilled. Meera's her brother and her parents went to the zoo. She could find the elephant section. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, madam, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Arfan. I am third standard. Lesson number is for Ravi's parents play. Ravi's siblings Rohan and Ritu are already up and excited to enjoy their holiday. Little Ravi is in his room pretending to be a pilot flying plane using his toy plane. Suddenly Ravi hears a bird. He lands his plane and races outside. That sounds lovely. The bird melody seems to be calling. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Respected principals and madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Samruddhi. I am studying in fourth standard. Today my topic is the magic wheel. Anya, a curved and lively young girl, thought of exploring her grandmother's at one summer afternoon. It's too hot to play outside. I should grandpa's at today. Ooh, it's like a treat for her. I wonder what's inside the box. Anya opened the box and discovered an old quill. This quill looks so beautiful. I will never seen anything like this before. Let me see how it's right. She dipped the quill in an old ink, put and write on a piece of paper. A pot full of gold coins. Suddenly she had a thorn behind her. Thank you. Everyone, I am studying in fourth standard. My name is Anushi. I am studying in fourth standard. Today my poem is A Hero. Swami used to play drawn from school and enjoyed hearing stories from his grandmother as she pampered him. He only slept by her side. Swami father wanted him to become independent and self-reliant. One evening, Swami father was reading a newspaper under the hall lamp.